Are you looking to log out of your Telegram account on your Android device? Maybe you're switching to a new phone, lending your device to someone, or just want a bit of extra privacy. No worries, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to safely log out of your Telegram account in just a few easy steps. Let's jump right into it and make sure every tap counts. First, grab your Android device and open up Telegram. The first thing you need to do is find the hamburger menu. It's that three horizontal lines icon you'll spot in the top left corner of your screen. Give it a gentle tap. This button is like the gateway to all your settings and main options in Telegram. If you're used to using other social media apps or messaging services, you might recognize this kind of menu. It's pretty common for navigation. Don't worry if it's taking a second to load or if you're not certain which icon to press, just look for those stacked lines. Once you've tapped the hamburger menu, you'll see your name and some details at the top. Here, where you want to focus, tap on the big profile icon you see right beside your name. This brings you to your profile page inside Telegram, where you can see information like your phone number, your bio, and probably even your profile picture if you've set one. It's nice to double-check you're in the right place. Your profile area is where all account-specific actions happen, including features for privacy, notifications, and of course logging out. Now take a look towards the top right corner of your profile screen. You'll notice three dots lined up neatly. This is also called the More Options menu. It's a universal symbol for extra settings. Think of it as opening a toolbox for everything you can do on this page. Go ahead and tap those three dots. It might sound simple, but a lot of people miss this step since it's pretty small and blends in. Just keep an eye out, and if you're unsure, pause here for a moment and make sure you see those three vertical dots. Tapping the three dots will reveal a drop-down menu, kind of like unrolling a little scroll with all the extra actions you can take. In this menu, you're looking for the log out option. It should be pretty clear and easy to spot. Telegram wants this to be straightforward since it's an important action. Once you see log out, simply tap it. At this point, Telegram might ask you to confirm that you really do want to log out. This is just its way of making sure you don't leave your account by accident. If you're absolutely ready, confirm your choice. And that's it, you've officially signed out of your Telegram account. Logging out might seem like a small step, but it's a really big part of keeping your messages and settings secure, especially if you're sharing your device or just want a fresh start. Think of it as locking the door when you leave your house. You know your stuff is safe and only accessible when you're ready to log back in. If you had any trouble following along, don't stress. Sometimes icons hide in plain sight and every phone layout can be a bit different. Just rewind the steps, take your time, and you'll get it. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you out or you want more tips on managing your apps, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below with any questions you have. I'm always here to help, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. See you in the next one.